How long does it take to learn the Shona language? Learning any language requires time and effort, and Shona is no exception. The time it takes to learn the Shona language depends on various factors such as your language learning experience, dedication, and amount of time you can invest in practicing. On average, it takes about 600 to 750 hours of study, which is about a month, to achieve a basic level of proficiency in Shona. This includes learning vocabulary, grammar, and practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. However, it is important to note that everyone learns at their own pace. Some learners may grasp the basics of Shona more quickly, while others may require more time and practice. The key is to stay consistent and motivated throughout your learning journey. If you already speak a Bantu language like Zulu, Xhosa, Isindebele, or any other language of that sort, you may find it easier to learn Shona due to the similarities in vocabulary and grammar. However, if you are starting from scratch, don't be discouraged. With the right resources and dedication, you can make a significant progress. To expedite your learning, consider enrolling in a Shona language course, either online or in person. Immersing yourself in the language through listening to Shona music, watching Shona movies, and practicing with native speakers can also greatly enhance your learning experience. Remember, learning a language is a lifelong journey, and fluency in Shona will require consistent practice and exposure. So be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of discovering the rich culture and heritage associated with the Shona language. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video.